we have a little panorama here. Back here, all the way in the back, is the island of Sicily. The lady with the big belly that's reclining in the ocean. Right in front of us is Salina, that we just left. We stayed here for 2 nights. Over here is Lipari, the large island right in front of us. Tucked in behind is Vulcano, still with an active volcano. Now we're panning over to the action on the boat. Here's our sailing priest. We love him, he's great. Our opera singer, Agnieszka. Our strict teacher, Francesco.
Strict teacher?
Strict. Yeah, and Claudia, or also known as Karen. We've already lost one passenger by the name of Heribert. He got sick on us. I have no idea where our captain is actually. We've lost him. He's gone overboard. Back here, I don't know if you can see it, is the island of Panarea. And over here on this side is the island of Stromboli, where we're headed now. We'll be there in about 3 hours and 59 minutes, according to our captain.